crazy, but don't touch my truck.
Today we're going to try and replace the harness as soon as the rats have eaten it. So we've got to make a bit of space so we can get it out of there and repair it. Let's get the glove box out of the way. So the harness feeds up in the back of there. So I'll get it out from here and pull it out here so we've got more room to work on it. Unplug the harness is actually quite easy. Push, flick. Oh, I had a good feed on that. Okay, so I ended up taking the computer out so I could get the harness back out here so I could have more room. Now we've got to go through, cut some wires, put a new plug on for that sensor and reconnect the harness because the rats and mice have eaten it right down to here. So a lot of rejoining and reconnecting. May as well give it all a clean while we've got it all out. Well, before we went into the BCM, we could not get into the airbags, and now we can get in. Okay, so we've got one code. Let's delete it. It should get rid of our airbag light. It should come up with us no faults. Let's make sure we get into all the computers. Code. low voltage code was because of the fan belts.
Crazy, but don't touch my truck.